Wow. What impressed.
Christiana. Transformer. Oh, and that's the cartoon set.
Yeah.
Wow, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. This is a lot of boxes.
It's the whole set?
Yeah.
Whole thing.
The whole thing. Hold it up. Nice.
Nice, thank you. For the very first time,
Blueberry stone.
all on 16 discs, 98
In your
restore
spare time?
episodes. The
What
complete
did you do?
series. Wow.
DVDs. It's a cartoon from the 80s.
Ah,
She watched it when she was a little girl.
okay.
They also come with a book.
And this is the chance of Santa. Santa must like
Santa.
it.
Wow.
Wow.
Christiana, mommy got Hello Kitty too. Wow.
I think this you'll have to do with her when she gets a little bigger.
Oh. Hello Kitty. Hello.
I'm no bigger at size. That's something smaller special time.
Thank you. This socks. Oh, this is what dress me up. That's a magnet.
Right, with
You can
magnets.
put on the
You got boxes of this stuff downstairs, too? You
What?
got boxes of this stuff downstairs?
You never know when you might need it.
This. What is that?
That's from Christiana and me.
Christiana.
Oh, Sister Tony.
Okay.
Christiana. Who are you going? Jeez. I cannot believe. Christiana! How can you know? You want mommy to take picture of you? Wow. Nice. Thank you. 16 gig, huh? Blah, 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 blah. Wow.
It's a camera. Get it out. It's up to the box.
That's
You like
why
it?
That's why Never
Yeah.
TV responsible. I wanted to do research.
Great.
Why?
Where's that one gonna go?
I did do the research. I just didn't tell you about it.
What is this?
Is that the battery pack?
Oh yeah.
Extra. I got an extra battery pack and a memory card.
Oh nice.
More?
Thank you.
Oh, it's not there. Because I thought about getting the screen to go with the thing, but I thought I'd wait and see what you wanted. Did you?
Wow.
I didn't know Spitfire had this spirit of St. Olban. Look at this, Tony. You did such a nice job wrapping up my present.
Wow.
Wow. Wonder what it could be. Hurry before the battery goes dead. I have 4 minutes left.
Oh, I needed this. Oh boy. I needed this.
What is that? I was laughing when Tony told me this. Thing.
Shiatsu pillow.
Well, you know what? Better to have what you better get
It
into
has
it.
special function?
Yeah, massages my back or my neck or wherever I need to be massaged.
Oh, it's a massage?
How's it look, Jen?
It looks nice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're
Only
welcome.
a case.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, well, you have a birthday coming up.
Oh yeah, my birthday.
When's your birthday?
January 17th.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I'm gonna
Ah, great.
What is that?
It's a, well, a wine cooler.
Remember ages ago I said I already got something for you
Yeah,
to carry
you
your
found it,
work on.
didn't you?
They all come kind of complicated though. They come with all kinds of other stuff.